This video demonstrates how to update drivers for Windows 10 using the device manager, useful for installing fresh drivers for AMD Radeon, NVIDIA, Intel, MTP USB drivers, and more. Let's start. First of all, press Windows plus R hotkey on your Windows 10 PC, then type devmgmt.msc and press enter. This will open up the device manager window. Now before moving ahead, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Then expand the section of the drivers you want to update. For example, display adapters. Here you will see a list of available drivers which you can update. Now right click on the driver you want to update. For example, I have the AMD Radeon R7M440 driver. I will right click on it, then click on update driver. Next, click on search automatically for drivers. This will scan your PC if it already has the necessary drivers stored somewhere on system files and then automatically install them. If this didn't help, go to the device manager again and repeat the steps. But this time, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click on this browser folder and locate the downloaded driver file. After selecting the file, click on OK. Then select Next and Windows 10 will automatically update your drivers. Now, how do you get these drivers file from the internet? All you need to do is visit your manufacturer's official website. For example, we have this official page for downloading NVIDIA related drivers. You can find this on Google or in the description box below. I will attach the link to it down here. Now, after downloading the driver, all you have to do is repeat the device manager steps that I explained earlier. Similarly, for Intel drivers, you can use this official web page. In the same way, you can also download other drivers from their respective official websites. So that's all on how to update drivers for Windows 10 in 2024 and beyond. For more Windows 10 tips and tricks like this one, check out this playlist. Please like and subscribe before leaving. Take care.